No, not this. In morning, this is
Okay.
this is the tune of morning.
Evening too?
Evening to বলতো evening সন্ধ্যার সময় কি রকম করা? We should do morning tune in morning, evening tune in evening, and you should try to learn it. তাহলে শ্রী
गुरु चरण पद्मा केवल भक्ति शर्मा Raja
बहुत प्रेमानंद। এরকম করে দেয় সব। তুমি একজন পণ্ডিত। হ্যাঁ দেখা এবার বীর মহাপুরুষ নিয়েছে।
নিচে দিয়ে খুলে ওইটা খুলে যাবে।
Who will do? Who will do?
It's not
Up down. Otherwise, they're up down.
Up and down.
Up down at the same time. More up and down. Yeah.
Keep it, let it be as it is.
আর একটু বড় করতে হবে।
ছোট 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 ঠিক। ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमद्भक्तिप्रज्ञानकेशवैष्णवाय अतिमत्रचरित्राय स्वासितानन्तकाय जीवतिप्रियसुतार्थाय नाम प्रेमप्रदाय वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदाय कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाय गौरतिशे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः। Now, today is very sacred day. Chaturmasya Vrat is going on, and in Chaturmasya, Kartik Vrat is going on. It has been began from Ekadashi, Dwadashi. Today is Dwadashi. And again it will be commenced on full moon Sarad Purnima, from Sarad Purnima to Purnima. It has been written in Hari Bhakti Vilas that from Kartik Mas, Damodar Vrat, Urja Vrat should begin from either from Ekadashi, either from Dwadashi, either from full moon Sarad Purnima. But the Gaudiya Vaishnava, especially Saraswat Gaudiya Vaishnava, in the line of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, they are called Saraswata Gaudiya Vaishnava. So Prabhupada has followed it from full moon to full moon, Sarad Purnima to Arash Purnima, 1 month. Because Saraswati Thakur has established new thing, not new, same thing, but in a new way. If Saraswati Thakur and Bhakti Vinod Thakur was not in this planet, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teachings would have gone and stopped. So we should try to follow Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur in all respect. Swamiji, Bhaktivedanta Swami, who took sannyas here in the midst of this here hall, he also followed Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, and our Reverend Gurudev, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, because he gave sannyas to him. So he has followed all these things. So we should try to follow it from Purnima to Purnima, 1 month. Those who are following from Ekadashi or Dwadashi, they also should समाप्त करना क्या, and that this Vrat Kartik Damodar Urja Vrat on full moon So in this month, today is a very sacred day, Dwadashi, the separation, disappearance day of
Das
Raghunath Das Goswami,
Gopal Bhatta Goswami,
Gopal Bhatta Goswami,
Kaviraj Goswami,
and Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami. Three. There are three stone pillars. Three pillars of Gaudiya Vaishnava among so many. So first we should take Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went in Chaturmasya Vrata in the South India, Rangji temple. And he began to dance and do kirtan there. All were attracted. And a very holy family met him. And they called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that you should live for months here in our residence, and after you can go anywhere. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted their invitation, and he went to their residence. They have separate room for him on the bank of Tapti river. Tapti or Kaveri, I don't remember. And he spent 4 months there. The name of the head of the family was father of Gopal Bhatta Goswami, named Trimalla Bhatta. Trimalla Bhatta, his brother
Venkat Bhatta,
Venkat Bhatta, Trimalla Bhatta,
Prabodhananda Saraswati.
and Prabodhananda Saraswati, the 3 brothers. They have taken initiation in the line of Srila Ramanuj Sri Sampradaya, and they were very learned person in whole South India. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began to do kirtan and to tell so many things, Hari Katha to them. In 1 month they were all changed totally. They were they were worshipper of Lakhi and Narayan, but by the association of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they became Gaudiya Vaishnava, worshipper of Radha and Krishna, conjugal. This boy, Raghunath Das Gopal Bhatta Goswami, serving Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in so many ways. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go to take bath in that river, sacred river, he used to go with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with his clothes, his door and coffee, and when he used to take his bath and coming to the residence, he used to take the water mixed cloths, cooking, and so many ways, so many things. He used to serve day and night, and he came so much pleased to him. The history is so long, how they became Gaudiya Vaishnava, worshipper of Radha and Krishna. But anyhow, Gopal Bhatta served Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so well, and he was so learned person because Prabodhananda Saraswati was a very big learned person at that time. He knows Ved, Upanishad, Vedanta Sutra, and Srimad Bhagavata especially. He has written so many books, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made him so Rasik Vaishnava. That is why he has written after that Radha Ras Sudha Nisi, a book, very, very jewel book.
वृंदावन से नवद्वीप।
There are two books Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discovered.
कृष्ण कर्णामृत,
Krishna Karnamrit, one book, and second
ब्रह्म संहिता,
Brahma
संहिता,
Samhita. But third book, this book was so prominent, and all disciplic Acharya has taken his sloks. प्रथम टर्म की बोलते
कृष्ण
बोलना
कर्णामृत, कृष्ण कर्णामृत,
Krishna Karnamrit is somewhat inclined towards Krishna and showing that Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. But Radha Sudhanidhi
leaning towards him.
is more rasic book, and he is going to pray Radhika as a master of of Krishna. Krishna always wants to serve Srimati Radhika, and she wants to be the Dashi of Srimati Radhika. This is the highest topic of Gaudiya Vaishnava thought. Rupa and Raghunath and Gopal Bhatta took his view that Radhar Dashi, not anything else. And they want that Krishna should serve Srimati Radhika. Vishin Ras in Vrindavan, the Krishna is served. Gopis all weeping, rolling down on the earth, always searching Krishna. Oh Krishna, where you are? Without you, we will die. But Prabodhananda Saraswati has written Bhakti Radha Rasunadi. Why gopis will cry for and weep for Krishna? Krishna should weep, we should roll down, he should be lament that, oh Srimati Radhika, where you are, I am dying for you. And searching Krishna here and there, in all groves and mountains. He wants to meet Radhika and to take the feet dust of. This is the highest topic that our Goswamis has given in their books, and especially in Chaitanya Charitamrita. So all things Gopal Bhatta learned from Prabodhananda Saraswati. So Prabodhananda Saraswati is Guru Pad Padma of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. So you can imagine that how beautiful and how rasic and how Gopal Bhatta Goswami was. But he was a fast learned also. Very, very fast. After Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came from Sri Rangam, he became mad to meet with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and to serve Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told him that you should serve your father because he is not only your father, but he is your guru. So you should serve him. But after that you should come to your elder brother Rupa and Raghunath in Vrindavan and be with them. So after the disappearance of their father, after the death of his father, Prabodhananda Saraswati also left his home and came to Vrindavan. He lived in Kamyavan and so many, all 12 months of Vrindavan. In separation mode. Oh, where is Srimati Radhika, Lalite, Vishakhe, where you are? Always crying, weeping, rolling down on the earth. So Gopal Bhatta thought that where to live, how to have Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's lotus feet. So he also left. In the meantime, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu disappeared from this world. So he wanted to go to Puri, but he could not go to Puri. So he was searching where to go and how to go to in Vrindavan in the lotus feet of Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad and Rupa Goswami. In his tour, he went to Himalayas where there is a Gomti Nadi, Gomti river, and he saw a big Salagram Shila. When he was going to bath in river, he saw that a Salagram was coming, following him, and he is not stopping in river, and automatically it is coming, and it seems that he is telling that I will take your service, you should serve me. Then he took up in his arms and kept it in his head, sometimes on his eyes, sometimes on his heart, and took him with him to Vrindavan, and where he met Rupa and Sanatan. Rupa Sanatan, they embraced this very pure Rashik Vaishnava Gopal Bhatta Goswami. One day he was in Vrindavan, in Radharaman Ghera. At first no name of Radharaman Ghera, it was Vrindavan. It was in Seva Kunja, near to Seva Kunja, Nidhuban. Nidhuban, no? In near Nidhuban, it was in the area of Nidhuban. Very sacred and very secret place for Radha and Krishna conjugal. So he went there, and he was thinking that how I should serve her this Salagram Shila. He wanted to see the eyes, face, his arms, his three-folding body, feet and everything, and he wanted to decorate it. At the time of Jhulan, Jhulan means?
Swing first time.
What? Really. In the night he slept, and he was so much worried, thinking and demanding that how I can serve him. A very beautiful shape, three-folding shape, smiling face with flute, then it will be very, very good to serve him. In the night, midnight, the Salagram woke him. Oh, Gopal Bhatta, you can see me, how beautiful I am.
Decorate me.
And thus he went to the deity and saw that, oh, beautiful, Radha Raman. The face of Gopinath, three-folding here like Govindaji,
Chest Govinda.
and chest Govinda, and
Lotus feet, Mother.
and feet was like
Mother.
so think Govinda, Gopinath and Madhavan
Three in one.
appeared
3 in 1.
in him, three in one, in Radha. And he was so much delighted and so much glad to see this. And then he called all Goswami, and they were very much surprised and wondered that how his bhakti is there. This Salagaram has changed into Radharaman. So you can imagine how first class of Vaishnava he was. Really he was not only Vaishnava, he was very near and dear to couple Radha and Krishna conjugals. He was Gudamanjari of Krishna pastime. So by his prayer he became Radharaman. After that, he was not only Bhavuk and Rashik Bhakta, but he was vast learned. I have told all Vedas, all the scriptures of Ramanuj, he has in his throat. Sanatana Goswami told him, asked him that you should make some rules and regulations according to Vaishnava etiquette,
Vaishnava etiquette.
that all can worship Radha and Krishna or anyone, and also how to take sannyas, how to take diksha, how to take mantra, what are the qualifications of disciple, what are the qualifications of guru. Everyone cannot be guru and every person cannot be disciple. Only those who have detached from worldly desires, great sense gratifications, those who have learnt all these Vedas, epics, and they have some realization of serving both Radha and Krishna, they should be guru. Whether they are of any caste and creed. But if anyone are knowing the Krishna Tattva, kiva vipra, kiva nyashi, sudra kenona, jai Krishna Tattva veta se guru. Those who know Krishna, who is Krishna, who is Srimati Radhika, who am I, what is the service of Radha and Krishna conjugal, and they are loving and doing prema seva, not only virtue, they are Gurudev. Especially those is not less than 1 lakh Harinam is doing daily. And Krishna is their heart. And those who can take his Krishna also and to give in the disciple heart, he is Guru. So you can imagine what are the symptoms of bona fide Guru. If any person have Guru like this, he is so lucky. We are lucky that we are disciples direct from our Guruji, who was direct Shishya of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. Also there are those who are the disciples of Swami Bhaktivedanta Maharaj, also they are so lucky, so lucky. So to have a Guru, qualified Guru, is so bhagya, fortune. So he wrote a book like this, and it was called Hari Bhakti Vilas. The meaning is very beautiful meaning, wonderful meaning of Hari Bhakti Vilas. Bhakti Vilas. Krishna is always enjoying, and he is so much in bosom. Hari Bhakti Vilas. Hari means Krishna, who takes the heart of Srimati Radhika, he is Hari, and who is always dancing, singing in the hearts of Srimati Radhika, Gopis and all Bhakt. He is Hari. And for this book was made, he wrote. And he gave it. At first, Sanatana Goswami gave him some points. And after that, he collected all proofs of all epics, and he gave in all Puran, especially all Purans, and Nigam and Agam, and collected so many things, months, and gave it. And again, Srila Sanatana Goswami gave him all these things, and again he explained, he wrote commentaries on Hari Bhakti Vilas. So someone are in Sandeh, doubt that this book is of Sanatana Goswami really or of
Gopal Bhatta Goswami.
But I think the book was manifested by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in their hearts, and he gave inspiration to make it. So he wrote Hari Bhakti Vilas, Satkriya Sardipika,
Sanskar Dipika,
and Saraswati. 3 books he wrote.
and condensed form of Sat Sandarbha.
So we should try to follow how to make temples, how to give diksha, how to give mantra. We don't call first initiation, second initiation, third initiation, fourth initiation. Only one initiation. First in Harinam and then diksha. Not Swamiji had made easy grammar because he was so Kripalu, merciful. So he made some easy grammars for this. So he called first diksha means to take Harinam. And then to clear and to make it bona fide Harinam, diksha is essential. Someone thinks that diksha is more superior, but you can know that mantri is Shrestha, superior. Our name is superior. What is superior? Vijayate Sri Krishna.
Param Vijayate.
Param Vijayate Sri Krishna. Name is himself Krishna. By mantra, detachedness comes, detachment from world, no attachment from world, cuts this mantra and gives some relation to Krishna. So Gurudev gives him Harinam, and then Diksha Guru, or in Diksha, how to chant Krishna name with relation of Krishna or relation with Srimati Radhika. And then this name becomes so pure and becomes conjugal Radha and Krishna. So all things has been given in Hari Bhakti Vilas he gave. Some he gave in Satkriya Sardipika. Anyone who is taking shelter of Radha Krishna and pure Vaishnava, they should not worship demigods. They should worship Rup Sanatan, Yamuna, Govardhan, Radha Kunda, Shyam Kunda, Vrinda Devi, they should worship. Lalita, Vishakha, not other things. Not Rukmini Raman, Satyabhama Raman, Mathuresh Krishna. If they are doing so, then they cannot come in Vrindavan. So he has told everything, how to do all these things. If marriage ceremony should be done according to Satkriya Sardipika, not worshipping Ganesh and all other deities. If a Vaishnava who has taken sannyas, renounced order, when he departs from this world, he should give him samadhi. How samadhi should be given? Everything. There are so many sanskar. Kitana?
10 sanskar.
10.
Yeah.
10 sanskar. All should have been cleared there. So we are very fortunate to come in his line, and also we are indebted to Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami, and this Srila Gopal Bhatta. Today is also the
Disappearance
day of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. You know all Raghunath Goswami. If anyone wants to be in Gaudiya Vaishnava, if anyone wants to dive in the ocean of rasa brought by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadvip or here, they should surely follow Rup Raghunath Pade Rahu Mora Ash Prarthana Kare Sada Naru. If anyone has no tendency, then anyone has no ruchi
taste
to serve Radha Krishna conjugal in this way like Rupa and Raghunath, they should surely go to Mayabad, join, and they should go to Ramanuj. They should not be in Gaudiya Sampradaya. Surely they will have it. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or any of his followers and all disciples also, they have not come only to give Vaidhi Bhakti only. If you read Chaitanya Charitamrita, if you read the explanations of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur Jiva Goswami and Sanatana Goswami Gopal Bhatti, you will see even Narottam Thakur, Srinivasa Acharya and Shyamananda Prabhu, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Srila Prabhupada, all will tell the essence of all Vaishnavism, essence of all the books, essence of all the teaching, A to serve Radha Krishna in line of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If I am telling that we are not qualified to learn and hear and to do, then that should be very far away from our lines, very, very far lines. They should not join Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj mission, Srila Prabhupada mission and our mission. So ultimate goal to serve Radha and Krishna conjugal Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Anarpati Charin Chirad Karunayavatir. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami had told, Rupa Goswami had told, Raghunath especially has told, Tavai Vasmi Najimami Tvaya Bina Iti Vigyaya Radhe Tangnay Mam Charanam Khiji. Oh Srimati Radha, I am yours, yours and yours. If you have no mercy, if you will not bestow mercy to me, then I will die, I will die. I will leave Vrindavan, I will leave Krishna, I will leave everything, I will leave my body if your mercy is not coming to me. I don't know Krishna, I don't want to serve Krishna without you. So he is telling that. Padabjayostava vina varadashyameva nannat kadapi samaye kila devija sakhyayate mama namastu namastu nityam dasyayate mama rasostu rasostu. Very good thing. What we cannot understand in the books of Rupa Goswami, we can understand easily by the books of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. Srila Rupa Goswami has brought the ocean of Rasa, Bhakti, Rasamrita Sindhu. He has brought, all. But how to dive, how to take some water and how to bath in that Rasa Sindhu, the path has made Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. Without following him, we cannot go to that ocean of Bhakti, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. So we'll have to follow, especially Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. So today is the earliest appearance day of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was there in Navadvip and Raghunath Das Goswami met him in Shantipur. You know Raghunath Das Goswami, he was the prince. He was very, very high class of rich person's son. There were two brothers, his fathers. So whole property was of Raghunath Das Goswami. When their father and mother saw that he has an inclination for Radha and Krishna to serve and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they wanted to turn his boat, but they could not. Raghunath Das Goswami has tried so many times to give up his home and to go to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Puri. At last, big and very strong iron or chain were brought to Titan Raghunath Das Goswami. So many watchkeepers were there to always look after him that he should not fly away from home. At last his mother told his father, his husband, you should try to tight him and always guard. Then he thought, in this world, iron chains and all these things are not so strong like wife's attraction.
Attachment.
So he looked after whole Bengal, very beautiful Kishori for him. And he was married. He was unwilling to marry, but anyhow they
By force.
forcefully they
Make
married.
agreement.
That beautiful princess was brought to Raj Palace, but he had nothing to do. He had never seen his wife. What is called wife, he did not know what is wife. Then again she told her mother that how to tighten her. Only my son is there in our family, and if he becomes sadhu, then what to do? How we will say we will die? You should try to tighten him in iron bars. Then his father Hiranyagovardhan told that a love, affection of father and mother and charmingness of his wife, everything we have tried by all these things. So if anyone's heart is taken by Krishna, they cannot be tightened by anything.
Material.
Whether it will the wife be so
Beautiful.
beautiful, loving, serving, anyhow so sweet, fragrant and everything. But they have no use of that. They cannot tighten. So how this pranless,
Lifeless iron.
lifeless iron bolts, how can they can bind it? Raghunath, anyone can.